Introduction to Mojo Programming Language. Welcome to an Introduction to Mojo, a powerful and versatile programming language. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Mojo, and why it might be the right choice for your next project. Mojo is a modern, high-level programming language designed for simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility. It combines the best features from various programming paradigms, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of Mojo is its clean and intuitive syntax. It's designed to be readable and expressive, allowing developers to write code that's both concise and easy to understand. Mojo supports a variety of programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This flexibility allows developers to choose the style that best fits their project and coding preferences. Mojo emphasizes simplicity without sacrificing power. It provides a rich set of built-in functions and libraries that make common programming tasks a breeze. With just a few lines of code, it is easy to perform complex operations in Mojo. Another significant advantage of Mojo is its performance. It's designed to be fast and efficient, making it ideal for resource-intensive applications. Mojo's optimized execution engine ensures your code runs smoothly, even under heavy workloads. Error handling is essential in any programming language, and Mojo has robust mechanisms for handling exceptions and errors. Its comprehensive error handling features enable developers to write reliable and robust code. Developers collaborating and working with Mojo. Mojo also boasts a vibrant and supportive community of developers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, you'll find plenty of resources, tutorials, and forums to help you along your coding journey. And that concludes our introduction to Mojo programming language. With its clean syntax, flexibility, and performance, Mojo is a powerful tool for tackling a wide range of projects. https://docs.modular.com/mojo/programmingmanual.html. Visit Mojo website to learn more and start coding with Mojo today. Thank you, good luck.